Alrighty, welcome to the workshop today. What we're going to be doing is building a two-tiered raised planter bed. We're going to be constructing it all out of solid pine, pre-drilling and assembling the entire thing. We're going to end up installing a light down here so we can grow our vegetables on the bottom, and we're going to put a light on top. This is also available on our website at raisedplanterbeds.com. You can purchase this entire kit. It's pre-cut, pre-drilled, and ready to assemble. Now this is one of the 4 legs that we're going to need to assemble part of our raised planter beds. It's 72 inches long, and we've drilled and countersunk holes and fastened it together this way. So we have gone ahead and pre-drilled and countersunk all the holes along the one edge of the boards. They're spaced every 16 inches, and we're gonna put it on here. I've used a bit of a block to help support it while we put the fasteners in. We're using number 8 1.5 inch screws. All we have to do is line up the back side and go all the way up the board. This is one of the 2 trays that we have to make for this raised planter bed. These pieces here, we're going to need 2 of them. They're 46.5 inches long each. We're going to need 2 of these end pieces that are 14.25 long each. And then we're going to need 4 of the back or the bottom pieces, which are 48 inches long each. These are all the pre-cut, pre-drilled pieces that you're going to need. There's going to be a double set of these in each one of the kits because it's a 2-tier system. Now we're going to construct the perimeter of the box. We're going to put the 14.25 inch piece on the 46.5 piece. Now for the other end. Alright, now we're going to install the bottom on our box. We're going to fasten 2 screws on either end into the frame we just constructed. Make sure the frame is square prior to doing this. Now if you purchase the kit, these holes on the ends are going to be pre-drilled. If you haven't, please make sure that you pre-drill and countersink all the holes prior to doing this part. Now that we have the 2 perimeter pieces on, I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 inner pieces in. We're going to do it the same way by putting screws on either end. Now there we go, a beautiful box. Now we have to screw the perimeter on this side of the box. We've marked it in from either end and centered it up with 4 screws on either side. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill, countersink, and fasten it down. Alright, so now we've got the 2 support legs attached on one side of the box, or the frame section. We've put the bottom box in, the middle box, and we've assembled a top rail section. This is going to support our light and give us something to tie our plants to later on. Now we flip the box over to the other side. We've laid out our legs, and now we're going to pre-drill all these holes and countersink them. Now if you had the kit, this would already be done and just be simple screw it together.